are going with one of these boats. We're gonna go on a cruise for 2 hours to explore the Danube river, and there are gonna be some folklore music, some drinks. I'm really excited. We'll see how it goes. You know I love boat trips, so. Thank you so much. Let's have a cheers. Yeah, I guess, because this is the food drinks. This is the food drinks. This is the food guests. Hala hala hala. Now, there were a lot of different prices for this boat trip. You could choose dinner, you could choose drinks. We chose only drinks because we don't like to eat so much, and I don't know if they're gonna have any good vegetarian food for eating. The cruise has started. Itself a little bit. It's a full house tonight. There are a lot of people here, and there is a live music as well. Here is Mama. Cheers! So candies, another day, another Budapest exploration. Just kidding. Today we're gonna go to a bazaar in Budapest that's called Great Market Hall, and it was built in 1897, and it's one of the most largest halls in Budapest. And let's see how it looks. But I just wanted to show you how it looks when we are going outside. It's really cute. The park is on the inside. I mean, the balconies are on the inside, and we're on the second floor. Okay, and now we're gonna just go and buy some breakfast first. And what I get like a Macedonian feeling. They have a lot of bakeries where you can buy like cheese bread or pizza bread or something like that. We're gonna just buy some breakfast, and then we're gonna continue our walking to the Great Hall of Budapest. I'm such a bad vlogger when I'm hungry because I started eating. Really good and fresh. But this one is looking delicious. Now we'll eat, and then we continue our journey through Budapest. Walking around on our Vasi Boulevard. It's really pretty, and it's really nice weather today. Vitamin D. On one side, I think you have the castle bridge, and here is the market. It's a really beautiful building. I hope that it's not so crowded. Interesting. Yeah, but this is like a bazaar, but the new age. Everything is in small huts, and you have fresh cheese and milk products, meat. We don't want to eat meat, but you have meat here if you want to. Yeah, fun fact is that Hungary is lovers of paprika, and they eat like approximately a half of ton of paprika a year. But you know that I don't like so much paprika. But it's not it. Going up on the second floor. Here are, this is the place for more like souvenirs and clothes and bags, handcrafted stuff. This way, okay. But this is 1 and 1, and there was a package with 2. Yeah, I like that one too. It's a towel and...
You need.
Just a note. Thank you. Thank you.
From the little I've seen, it doesn't have to mean that the market is cheaper than the souvenir stores. I don't know why. I guess that a lot of people go inside the souvenir stores and buy more. Too much stuff, too much of the same stuff. Okay, I told you before that even though you're on the market, it doesn't have to be cheaper than the souvenir stores. It's like maybe 100, 200 forint cheaper. We came here just for the experience because everybody told us that this is a great marketplace and it's an old one. So we bought some souvenirs for home. I always buy magnets for the fridge wherever I go. So now we're going outside, I guess, right? And maybe we can drink some coffee, and we're gonna talk about where to next. This is the Liberty Bridge that is connecting Budapest, And one interesting fact for you to know is that there are 8 bridges totally connecting Buda and Pest. This is one of them. It's really nice. We saw them from the night before on the boat trip, some of them. Finishing one of these shopping nights with soy latte and a cake called dobos cake, dobos torta. It's a really specialty here in Hungary. It was firstly introduced in 1884. I've never tried this before and it looks delicious. Time for a testing. Not so sweet. Great. What about you? Can you try it? Recommend. Pretty Budapest. We spent our last day not stressing around so much touristing, only we did a lot of shopping. We did buy something that is a lot cheaper here. We bought cosmetics, we bought some clothes maybe, I don't know. And we just drank some coffee, ate outside. It was 12 degrees as I said, and it was a really beautiful day. Look at this. We got a really good reason to live. Tomorrow early we're going to catch our plane, and now we just bought a few snacks and we're going home to chill. I don't know, maybe later in the afternoon we're gonna get outside for a walk once again just to enjoy the last hours here. But if I don't film anything else, just know that I really recommend Budapest. It's cheap, affordable, and a good place to walk around and enjoy their culture. Bye, soul candies!